one of the most asked questions I get is backsplash. How do I update my backsplash?
Right.
Because it's a lot of work. And let's be honest, it's really hard to get a contractor to come in for just a little project like a backsplash.
Right.
So who says it has to be tile? I've got a way that you can update your backsplash and make it so easy. It's so affordable. Anyone can do it. Okay.
This looks amazing, and I thought it was tile when I walked onto the set. It kind of freaked me out.
Yeah, I mean, it's clearly, it's a wall covering, but you want to make sure it's a cleanable surface. One that's maybe vinyl. You don't want to put it behind the stove. That's about the only thing that I would avoid here. But if you find peel and stick wall covering, that's always the easiest option. But if you don't, just pick up some carpet tape, you know, the double stick carpet tape, and you can use that. So that's what I did here, because I found this wall covering that, like you said, it looks like tile.
It looks like tile.
Right?
It freaked me out.
Yeah,
and it has texture. It's kind of three-dimensional. It pops out at you. It has texture. It's gorgeous.
And no dirty grout lines.
And it's
no
cheap and
grout.
cheerful.
Yes. Love. Do you guys like this? Isn't it pretty?
I think it looks gorgeous.
And it enhances your kitchen just like that. So easy.
2 seconds.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
And a no-brainer. And the peel and stick is amazing.
And especially for renters. I get this question asked a lot.
Right, because you're not allowed to do anything permanent, and nor would you want to spend the money.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. And then you can take it off when you go.
But this is fun. Let's do more.
All right, more tips. More tips. People are always asking me, I don't have enough room, especially in New York City. Kitchens are small, so how can I get more storage? Take advantage of spaces that you wouldn't normally think about, like underneath the cabinet.
Love this.
Right?
Yeah.
If you're a coffee drinker or a tea drinker, grab your mugs. We're gonna hang a little rod underneath. There you go. And we're just gonna hang up our mugs. I mean, come on, right? It's like jewelry for your kitchen. And it makes the morning coffee all the more accessible.
Delightful.
So it's off the counter, it's out of your cabinet. You now have that much more space to put some other stuff.
Brilliant.
Here's one thing, and I just recently did this on an episode of Restaurant Impossible, but on a much bigger scale. So I took the pot rack and I created an area to hang plants from. So now you get your kitchen back.
And it's above the counter.
Yes. Here's my little plant. I want to hang this up. Here. Okay.
It's so cool. And then she took a little bit of faux greenery to like drip it down the sides and hide the ugly pot rack.
Yes. Awesome. This idea to bring the greenery into the house, take it off the countertops. It feels lush. You know
really
what? It feels like you're dining al fresco when you have something like this. But I know you don't have all hanging plants, so we need to address the potted plant issue in your home, and that is, let's create a living
shelves.
I mean, look, I'm not trying to reinvent, make anything complicated. We're doing basic household things. So by putting floating shelves on the wall, you can do this in the living room. You can do it outdoors on a patio, in your kitchen, between cabinets, and create your own living wall with these potted plants.